friends, welcome to Arnav. Today is the 18th episode in the geography series. So today in this episode we are going to discuss about Brazil. So you may notice my voice is a bit different because I swam in a swimming pool. So that's why my voice is a bit different. Yes. So after swimming I got a bit sick. That's why. So yeah, Brazil. So it is the Republic of Brazil. It is the full name of Brazil. So it is the largest country in both South America and Latin America. The America which is Latin. Yes.
What's the name?
So area. So the area of Brazil is 8.5 million square kilometers. The population is 214 million. Yes, so it is the world's 5th largest country by area and is the 6th most populous country in the world. Yes, so the capital of Brazil is Brasilia and the most populous city of Brazil is Sao Paulo, they are both in Brazil. Yes, so Brazil consists of union of 26 states and one federal district. This federal district is Brasilia, the capital district. Yes. So it is the largest country to have Portuguese as an official language. Yes, and the only one in the Americas to have Portuguese as its official language. Yes. Okay, so the official language and the national language is of course Portuguese because it was colonized by Portugal. So there's a lot of wind. That's why the paper is going everywhere. Yes. So okay. So the ethnic groups now. So 47.73% is white. White people or 47%. They are the colonizers who colonized Brazil. Yes. Next 43.13% 13% is Pardo. Next 7.61 people are black. So they are black because of the Atlantic slave trade. They will carry those slaves to the Americas for work. Yes. So 1.09% East Asian people and just 0.43% indigenous people. Yes, just 0.43%. At least the United States has more people. It has 1.1% of its population indigenous, but Brazil just has 0.43%. Yes. So the religions of Brazil are 88.8% Christians. Next 64.6% Roman Catholic Christians in this Christianity, 22.2% Protestant Christians and 2% other Christian types, sects. So yeah, so the 8% of the population has no religion. So it has no religion, 8% of the population. Next 2% of the population have Spiritism as their religion, which is a French religion made in France. And finally 1.2% of the people in Brazil are others. Yes, so they have other religions. And the currency of Brazil is real. Yes, it is very real and its name is actually real. The Brazilian real. Brazil is real. Yes. So the president of Brazil is Jair Bolsonaro. Jair Bolsonaro is the president of Brazil. Yes, so it got independent from Portugal on 7th September 1822. When it got independence, there were two countries in it, which were Brazil and Uruguay. It was called the Brazilian Empire then, but now it is just one country, that is Brazil. Uruguay got separated from Brazil. Yes. Okay, so it is bounded by the Atlantic Ocean on the east. Brazil has a coastline of 7,491 kilometers for the Atlantic Ocean. It only borders the Atlantic Ocean, not any other ocean. Yes. So it borders all other countries and territories in South America except the countries of Ecuador and Chile. And Brazil covers up to 47.3% of the whole continent land area. Yes, is almost half. Yeah. So, and also it doesn't border two countries, Ecuador and Chile. Yes, so it borders 9 other countries. And the total countries in South America are just 12. So it borders every country except Ecuador and Chile. 9 countries in total. Yes. So, okay. So its Amazon basin includes a vast tropical forest which is home to diverse wildlife, a variety of ecological systems and extensive natural resources. Yes, so the Amazon basin is there, the Amazon rainforest. It is very tropical. It is one of the mega diverse countries, one of the 17 mega diverse countries. Yes, so that's why it is that. Yes. So, okay, so deforestation in this region has direct impacts on global issues like climate change and biodiversity loss. So, deforestation is happening in South America, especially in Brazil, in the Amazon rainforest. Yes, in every continent there's some sort of deforestation except Antarctica because Antarctica has no trees. It may have one tree at least. Yes. So, okay. So the word Brazil comes from the Portuguese word for Brazil wood, which was a wood. Yes. So a tree that once grew plentifully in the coast of this Brazil. Yes. So, but now it is not that plentiful because of deforestation. Yes. So this Brazil wood produced a deep red dye. So it was highly valued by the European textile industries of course, Europe. Yes. So these trees produced a dark red dye. So they were very, very, very highly valued for the European textile industry. Yes. So next, early humans came to here 11,000 years ago. 11,000 years ago. Yes. So they came to the Americas late. Then the normal Asia, Europe, those things normally. Yes. So, okay. So, around the time of the Portuguese arrival, Brazil had an estimated indigenous population of 7 million people. 7 million. Yes. So, Pedro Alvarez, Portuguese colonization, sorry. So, Portuguese colonization. So, following the 1494 Treaty of Tordesillas, so the land now called Brazil was now claimed for the Portuguese Empire on 22nd April 1500. Yes, so it was ruled by Portugal for 300 years until its independence on 1822. Year 1822. Yes. So with the arrival of the Portuguese fleet commanded by the person known as Pedro Alvarez Cabral. So they arrived to this Brazil by a fleet commanded by this Pedro Alvarez Cabral. Yes, a long name. Yes. So Brazil occupies a large area along the eastern coast of South America and includes much of the continent's interior. Yes, so a lot of the continent's interior is claimed by Brazil. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So it shares land borders with Uruguay to the south, which was once Brazil. Yes. So yeah, it shares borders to Uruguay to the south. Next, Argentina and Paraguay to the southwest, not the south but southwest. Yes. So Bolivia and Peru to the west. Next, Colombia to the northwest. And Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname and French Guyana, which is a part of France, to the north. Yes, that means this country is bordering France in a way. Yes, so French Guyana is a part of France, which is in South America for some reason. Yes, so it also encompasses a number of oceanic archipelagos such as Fernando de Noronha, Dracos Atoll, St. Peter and Paul Rocks, and Trinidad and Martin Vaz. These are all archipelagos in the Atlantic Ocean. Yes. So, okay. So, Brazil is the longest country in the world. Longest means it has the longest, so it spans 4,395 kilometers from north to south. Yes, that's very long. That's why it is the longest country in the world. So Brazil is the only country in the world that has the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn running through it. So both lines or latitudes go through this longitudes. Yes. So this is the only country with those two going through it. Yes. So Brazil has a dense and complex system of rivers, lots of rivers. Yes. So the major rivers include the largest Amazon River, the Parana, the Iguancu, the Negro, Sao Francisco River, and the Xingu River. And there are many other major rivers. Yes. So that's why there's an etc. over here. Yes. So the climate of Brazil comprises a wide range of weather conditions across a large area and varied topography. But most of the country is tropical. Most of the country is tropical because the equator is just going through it. Why won't it be tropical? Every country which has the equator go through it is, of course, tropical. And in the southern part, there's a small desert part. Yes. So not that much desert, but a small desert. Yes. Okay. So Brazil is considered to have the greatest biodiversity of any country on the planet. Yes. So that's why it is in the mega diverse countries. Yes. So it is home to 60% of the Amazon rainforest, which accounts for approximately 1/10 of all species in the world. So 1/10 of all the species of world are in the Amazon rainforest, which is mostly in Brazil. Yes. So now some facts about this country, which is called Brazil. Yes. So it is the 9th largest military power in the world. Yes. So it has the 3rd largest prison population in the world after China and the United States of America. Yes. So it is the world's 9th largest economy. So it is the world's largest producer of coffee. Yes, it is the largest producer of coffee since 150 years. 150 years. That was in the 1800s. Yes. So that's a very long time ago. Yes. So in 2019, the country was the world's largest exporter of chicken meat in 2019. Yes, so it is the 2nd largest producer of beef in the world, the 3rd largest producer of milk in the world, and the 4th largest producer of pork in the world, the 7th largest producer of eggs. Yes, but in these ones there is no first. No. Yeah.
First coffee.
Yes, so here from 2nd to 7th there is no first. So yeah, but at least coffee is the first here. Yes, so the world's largest producer of amethyst, topaz and agate, which are crystals or minerals, are in this Brazil only. So it is the largest producer of these minerals in the world. Yes, so and also this is the flag of Brazil in a Rubik's cube. Yes, so it looks like this with a like a blue planet in the middle. A shape here, a yellow shape which the blue planet is in, and finally the green background. Yes, so yeah, this is for today about the country of Brazil. Bye.
Rubik's Cube. Microphone.